This is an overall view of a business plan. And then in part 2 of this course, I'll get into more details. All right, so number 1, market research. What does that mean? Look at market trends. Look at what is trending right now. Is it activewear? Maybe at one point there was skinny jeans and then it went to baggy pants. What colors are trending right now? Is it bright colors, pastels? What influences? Is it the 60s, the 80s? What styles are trending right now? What silhouettes? And trend change all the time. Trends are always changing. So you have to be constantly researching what is trending right now. The other thing to look for is what is missing in the marketplace. If you see that there's something missing, maybe you could be the one to fill that void, that need. For example, let's say that you wish they were more 100% organic cotton Hawaiian shirts. Just saying. Maybe you could be the one to fill that need. Look and see what is missing. Filling a need is a sure formula for success. Also, read blogs to get ideas, inspiration, and social media. Follow brands. Follow your favorite designers and brands on Instagram, for example. And if you're looking to raise capital for your company, you should read blogs written by venture capitalists. And speaking of raising capital, it leads me to the second section of a business plan. Number 2, raising capital. You need money. You need capital. To run a successful company, you need money, right? So when raising funds for a business, don't forget that everyone consumes fashion. Using people around you can be very helpful. When you're plugging numbers into a business plan, find someone with an MBA, a business degree. Find someone to help you create a financial Excel spreadsheet, which can be used to present the business plan to investors when asking for funding. This takes time, sometimes several months, so be patient, okay? I'll see you next class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.